Hi, Joe from Miniature Landscape Hobbies here. I just got another shipment in the mail. I'm pretty excited about this. And I'd like to mention that this is actually different from the usual type of shipments I get, in that this isn't for me. This is a bunch of Christmas presents. Well, and some supplies. So this isn't packed with your usual goodies. This is some stuff for my oldest son, Hastings, and then just some miscellaneous supplies that I need for the day-to-day work here at Miniature Landscape Hobbies Studio. Nevertheless, there should be some pretty interesting stuff to look at in here, so let's open it up. And, oh, whoa. Guys, I was not expecting this at all. New AK 3rd generation paint selections coming for Christmas in Napoleonic colors. Will, and look, you guys at Torchlight, wow, what can I say? We are going to review this. We are going to go over this in detail. I got to tell you guys, the people at Torchlight are unbelievable, and please check them out down in the links. They are an amazing store, and if you want to get 5% off on supplies from Torchlight, then by all means join my Patreon. They are really exceptional company. So here's the first Christmas present for Hastings. A Zaku. I think this is Char Aznavour's. Yeah. Now, I don't know much at all about Gundam. Oh, we can get into it. But the guys at Torchlight sent me some Gundam kits to check out, just as one of my regular features a couple months ago. And it got me really interesting. They're kind of like giant Kinder Egg sets. And I really enjoyed building them. They aren't like regular Wargame models. They're kind of, you don't necessarily need to paint them. And they're very enjoyable to build. They're not too hard to do generally, although there's all sorts of different sets and scales. And I'm still learning about them. But my oldest son, Hastings, has become a huge fan of Gundam. And he really got a start from what the guys at Torchlight sent over. So he's been enjoying it to no end. I think it's great, but he's just been loving it. So these kits are for him for Christmas. So one other thing I've noticed is that there's a staggering variety of Gundam kits, and Torchlight has a huge selection, probably the largest I've seen in Canada. Anyway, so there's a red Zaku, belongs to Char Aznavour, which is one of the main characters, or so I understand. And the other kit is an MS-09 Rick Dom. And I believe this is like an outer space robot that's a little more powerful. And I'm just learning, of course, myself. I watched some of the TV series. Anime's not really my thing. I'm more into historicals, obviously.
What you're telling me, essentially, is that Napoleon was a short, dead dude.
But I've been enjoying learning about it. I certainly like building the kits. Anyways, these are for Hastings. He will love finding those under the tree. So that is awesome. Now, what else have we got in here? The rest of the stuff in here should be pretty much what I consider essential. So, yeah, there's some wild grass tufts. So I use these on my regular basing. If you watch the channel, you'll see me using these AK grass tufts pretty much on everything I build. So it's a very common ingredient in my work. Some thinner. Been using a lot of acrylic thinners and airbrush cleaner. Just some practical supplies that we need on a daily basis here at Miniature Landscape Hobbies Studio, so always good to have plenty of that on hand. And then there should be a variety of paints. Yes, there is. Look at this. Okay. So we've got, just making up for some holes in my collection of paints I've been going through. Vermilion, I use a lot of red because I've been painting a lot of British Napoleonic redcoats. Beastie Brown, which is Vallejo Air. I use that as an undercoat occasionally, especially on bases and on movement trays. Pure White from the Mecha Color series. Now, this has been recommended to me. I haven't used it yet. We'll get a better feel for how it works later. Should be pretty good, though. I hear they're very vibrant. And lastly, Pure Black. So that's the same story. I have not used the Mecha colors before. We'll see how it goes. So that's it. Quick unboxing. Some fun stuff here for Christmas. Hopefully Hastings will enjoy it. I know Hastings will enjoy it. And I'll certainly get good use out of these regular supplies on a regular basis. But most importantly, to the staff over at Torchlight Games, I'm just speechless about this. I had no idea. Thank you so much for the early Christmas present. Some Napoleonic colors. These will be going to great use. In fact, I've been waiting to do some Napoleonic character models, probably starting next week. So I think we have a new application for this. Once again, thanks a lot to Torchlight. Thanks to my viewers. And remember to tune in next week for some more terrain, model painting, and diorama builds. See ya! Please support us by subscribing on Patreon. Our subscribers receive a 5% discount on paint and building supplies from Torchlight Games, promotional products from Event Horizon Hobbies, free access to 3D print files, and a whole lot more. If you wish to make a one-time donation, click the button for Super Thanks. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button so you get immediate notification on our videos, and until next time, remember to keep building life in miniature.